Well, I think off the rip on that one, fellas, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, to be honest, we're only up like $2. All right. If y'all are in the Discord, y'all know I got in puts. I bought time behind them though, So we're only up $2 after Apple beat. All right. It was a clean beat. I'm not gonna lie, I gotta give it to them. Some might even say that this might be their best iPhone revenue year. Quarter. Let me go ahead and rephrase that for y'all. All right. They were up at least 23% year over year. So since last year, up 23%, which is damn good. And I'm not gonna lie, I used to love Apple, man, but man, just they lame now, bro. I mean, they haven't really done anything, dude. The only thing I really like is just their phones. I don't even like the computers no more. I mean, if y'all know me, I've been getting Mac since the beginning of time, cause your boy's a Mac. You feel me? I need to be stopped. All right. Um, it's a clean beat, but like I always say, never pay earnings. You know what I'm saying? But earnings they beat. I mean, didn't shoot, they didn't moon, they didn't do anything crazy. All right. So I s- I went light. I bought like one contract. All right, and for next week. All right. So that's on my mind. I'm cool with losing that if I lose it. But I like what the chart said, so it is what it is. Hopefully, y'all did not go heavy because I tell y'all not to do earnings, playing a gamble 50-50. If you're okay with that, then go put it all on black, big guy. All right. So there's that. Shoulda went crazy. It was a good beat, one of the best quarters, and they still didn't. Like, come on. Not only that, but let's also not forget, right? Let's also not forget what they acquired. Okay. Let's go to the Discord. By the way, good job to all y'all inside the Discord today, man. I mean, y'all was on top of it. All right. Apple has reportedly agreed to acquire QAI in a deal that valued the company at $2 billion. I mean, come on. And we still didn't go crazy. Sounds to me like they trying to trap a bunch of folks. So this is my this is just my take. All right. This is my take. Do your own research, have your own opinions. You know what I'm saying? If y'all think Apple's really that good, I mean, by all means, invest the way you want. All right. Me, I'm shorting it. All right. You can't get above this level right here. Whatever this level is right here. All right. Now, that's a turn on magnet, chick magnet. Boom, 261. You can't get above that. It's an issue. All right. You got a death cross forming right here. Okay. That's no bueno. We all know what happens there. Right. All right. So we lose 254, come down to 248. After that, I mean, we're hunting for the 200 day, and that's at 236.09, which happens to be that level. I mean, you're already right here. You might as well get that cosign. All right. Now, if y'all are also part of the Discord, let's go ahead. Let's just jump on back to that bad boy. All right. Some good discussions today, and we're gonna circle around back to those conversations right there. All right. Um. Boom. Initial jobless claims. All right. They came in at 200,000, which was better than expected. All right. They're looking for about 209, 212, right? It's bullish for the economy overall, because fewer people are filing for unemployment. But depending on what they want the market to do, they will either A, be bearish for stocks if the market wants the rate cuts, or B, be bullish for stocks if the market wants growth. So that's the game plan for today. Determine what the Nasdaq is going to do and react to what the market gives. All right. Now, plain and simple, market told us exactly what it wants. All right. and they said we want rate cuts, my boy, right? Um, we got that here clear on the Nasdaq. All right, straight drop, fell out of that bullish pennant. I mean, flat, whatever. My bad. Just because the setup is there doesn't mean it always works. All right, it's a harsh reality of trading. So either you can cry me a river, or you can just deal with it, take it to the chin. It's the nature of the game. All right. So, but at least you get that clear indication. You know what I'm saying? Once you break out of it, whether it's up or whether you go down, you shoot straight for your level. All right. I give y'all plays by plays, giving y'all rundowns of exactly what's going to happen. All right. We lose this level, which is strong, came, broke down, even came down. What was that, like midday? Yeah, like midday. Hit the 50 SMA, 200 SMA, bounced nicely. I got to give it that. All right. Bounced nicely. But you shoot back up, you hit the 13 EMA for a good bearish reversal, just pretty much confirming the trend on some more downside, right? So we're still right here. We're going to face some resistance because, I mean, come on, if history repeats itself, right? We already had a retest. Now we're doing it again. Now here's a retest for the downside. If we want to see more upside to what the market's going to give us, and if the market really is bullish, I mean, at this point, you know, we want to see more consolidation here. All right. But if not, then pretty much expect this bad boy, the market as a whole, to pretty much just come down. All right. So come back down, retest the 50 SMA and the 200 SMA, and we're looking for 25. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, just let the market come down, man. Let me let, let me get some good discounts. All right. I'm sitting cash heavy right now and I want to throw my money at something, but I'm not buying it at these prices. For example, Apple, call me a hater. I really don't give a shit, but overvalued. I mean, I can't believe it even made it this far up. All right. Microsoft, I got into puts on that one. Aim for that 50% median. I told y'all to go like a month out though. All right. So don't kill me just because of this guy right here. All right. And if you can't handle a little bit of pullback, then hey, maybe you should pull back from the game for a little bit. All right, get yourself checked because it's all part of the game. All right. But with that said, all right, just because I give a nice little call out, we get a slight pop, and maybe I'm not, hitting the strike price like the way I did right here on Palantir. Let's not forget what I do for y'all. All right. Let's not forget. All right. Y'all saw the video that I dropped earlier. We were sitting up here, sitting pretty, sitting nice, right? Where were we? Oh, that's Palantir, my fault. We were sitting pretty up here. 159, 160. Drop. I mean, we're giving y'all play by play in the Discord. We're telling y'all exactly what to do, y'all. Exactly what to do, right? So boom. Let me see. Palantir just printing. 165 puts are printing. We called those out last week. Need a good finish today. Those holding the Palantir puts right now. And let me see. Shout out to D. He was throwing in NVIDIA puts, and he was also talking about asking for spot. Look, when y'all ask for advice, like, take notes from my guy right here, man. Execute it perfectly. This is exactly what I'm talking about. This is the type of stuff that I want to see. All right. When y'all ask me, what am I looking at? And I give y'all exactly what it is. This is the type of energy that I expect right here, right? D tells him needs to close 693. I like it. Next level. Boom. Gives you the levels. Me just doing a recap on exactly what I called out and exactly where we're at. Shortly after, right? He asked for that. What time is that? How about spot? 8:55 a.m. My guy comes back and says, SPY just printed 901. 6 minutes later, made a bag, left the market, called it a day. What more do you want? If y'all know how to just read and just take the plays and run with it, 6 minutes out of your day, you made a bag. That's it. Call it a day. Go to your job. Get back to work. Do whatever it is that you're doing, dog. Feed the family. That's it. That's it. Look at in and out in 20 seconds. I mean, you want to learn how to trade. I mean, this is exactly the way you're supposed to be trading. That's textbooks. Textbooks. Anyways, so I mean, we're giving y'all everything y'all need, okay? And since we're on the Discord already, got a new tab for y'all, okay? For those of y'all that are still learning, all right? Nice little glossary, definitions, things that were inside here, because I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm tired of typing in parentheses exactly what I'm talking about. So if y'all see something, abbreviations, acronyms, things like that, go hit that glossary tab. It's gonna be right over here. All right. Let me move me a little bit. Whoops. All right, let me move me over here just for a little bit. Okay. Gonna be over here. Right there. In the glossary tab. All right. So that's how you can find that. As for let's go back over here, right? Go back to trading view. Palantir just printed beautifully. All right. VIX rose, shot up. Can't get above that 1973 though. Okay. As you can see, we get above that level. VIX shoots up. Market goes crazy. All right. For those of y'all that don't know about the VIX, VIX goes up like a damn fucking rocket. It's no. We're gonna see a lot of blood in the streets. All right. VIX goes up. That's no good. That's no good, my friend. That's no good. Okay. Because you get a lot of this. Okay. VIX, that's volatility right there. All right. When it gets volatile, things get crazy. All right. Things get crazy. People start screaming, panicking. Sounds like a Call of Duty lobby back in like the 2000s. All right. For those of y'all that don't know, y'all know. Okay. When we start getting pullbacks like that, we see the market calming down. It's cooling down. And as you can see over here, spiked up. Couldn't get above that level. Couldn't get above the 200-day. Came back down. And as y'all saw, we saw some relief in the market. All right. Good indicator. All right. I have that saved under my nice little watch list right here called Market Vitals. Okay. Right there for y'all. Let me just move myself back over here. It's kind of gonna drive me crazy. Got OCD. Okay. Right there. VIX. Okay. Save that. Let y'all know. Okay. 6, not too good. Don't like that. All right. 16, my fault. Don't like that. Not too good. 19, yikes. All right. But overall, what I'm looking for in the market, I'm looking for a straight pullback, dog. Give me a good pullback. I'm trying to see something. All right. Let's come revisit this level right here. If we could lose 25 into 24,000, mama, taking you out. Taking you out. We're going to go eat, get you what you want, and get you a nice gift. My mom don't want a Tesla, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't want my mama driving. I'm not going to lie to y'all. But she do not like Teslas. I don't know what she got against them. I don't know. Maybe her and Elon had a thing and didn't go too well. Let me see. What else we got here? What else we got here, folks? Intel, good close, 48.66. I like it. ARM. ARM is costing an arm and a leg right now. We need to amputate this mother and just let it fall, bro. Okay? I need it to fall before earnings, Wednesday, the 4th. After that, yeah, I'm loading the boat. I'm loading the boat and I'm taking everybody with me. Okay? Might as well call me Noah. Noah's Ark. All right. Shout out my nephew. You better be working on that boat, boy. All right. I I want to see this lower. We can get to 94. Just please let it bleed. All right. For those of y'all that are in arm leaps, I hang in there. Trust me. All right. Y'all are gonna do good. I just, me, good old cheapskate. All right. I want to be cheap inside the market. Arm gets below 102, shooting for 94.12. This right here is a dream. All right. 85.96, dream. But take me to La La Land, rock me to sleep, and sing me a lullaby, baby. I want it. All right. So we need to lose that level. After that, leaps. I mean, look at that. This is what happened every single time. We shoot up, and those leaps could just pay nicely. All right. I don't mind paying that ticket. Sometimes you got to pay the fee to cross the bridge. All right. Pay the toll to cross the bridge. Um, what else? What else? What else? What else? What else are we looking at? Apple, you need to just crash and burn. You're just overvalued, big dog. Not gonna lie to you. Let me see. Bull. Bull has not been doing. Oh my God. I should have waited. I bought leaps on these and should have waited, but it's all good because I got 2 years, big boy. I mean, come on. Ooh. You know I've been going on and on about Netflix and ARM. All right. Reject that level. I'm sitting here patiently waiting. I mean, it is following the trend nicely. All right. So I'm waiting for 77. Get 77. I mean, you could probably get yourself some good swings back up to 86 and you can kind of just range trade. All right. So that's kind of my whole game plan for that. Just anytime it comes back down here to this level right there, I mean, this is good swings, month, 2 months out, 86. I mean, I think that's gonna print for y'all. You know what I'm saying? If you wanna trade the range, that's all I'm saying. All right. You don't have to. But if you want to, you can. Want to play more to the safe side, leaps and shares. And if anything, I'll be definitely accumulating shares down there. All right. If it drops down below, then I'll just average down and just keep buying more. I'm not tripping on it, especially when it's shares. All right. As far as everything else, man, I mean, don't know what else to give y'all. You know what I'm saying? That was just a nice little quick little rundown for y'all. Um, Let me see. Oh, decided to throw that inside call outs. All right. Damn, I'm giving that's another call out leak. Sheesh. I need to stop going to these call out sections. All right, but whatever. It's already done. I'm not remaking this video. Okay. Um, Key market updates. Yeah. So there you go. Like I said, all right. What was this? That was yesterday. This morning. All right. We lost that support. Looking for expect the market to see selling across the board. I mean, pretty much that's exactly what we got. Expect red today. All right. I mean, we're keeping y'all up to date as best as possible. All right, we got a lot on our hands. We got other businesses. We still got work, and we still got the stock market on top of that. All right. So the fact that we're able to, keep in touch with y'all, keep things running smoothly, you know what I'm saying? Put out fires, get people paid. I mean, to everyone in the Discord, man, proud of y'all for real. So that's pretty much it. Make sure y'all go visit that glossary tab. All right. So if y'all are just barely learning, please, right here. Okay. Got everything you need. Okay. I'll be updating this. Y'all keep updating that and make sure y'all are just doing your push-ups, bro. All right. We got 2,900. Mm, mm, easy money. But that's pretty much it for today, folks. So y'all go have a good one. For those of y'all that are in Apple with your boy, we ain't cooked yet. You know what I'm saying? We still got a couple weeks. Me, I like to thug it out. I like to thug it out. So I mean, y'all do what y'all want. Y'all want Trey scared of me, be my guest. But I didn't get no conviction off of that. You know what I'm saying? And they got a lot going for them right now. So we get that initial good drop, then I'll take my money. I won't take any profit right now. But yeah, so y'all got any questions? Hit me up. Hit D up. All right. This D right here. This me. And see y'all soon. Peace.